Hi folks, today's August 19th, 2022. This is going to be my project for the fall. It's a crappy SG cheapo, and we're going to make it sound really good. We're going to replace the pickup, the entire neck, with new tuning gears and new nuts, new wraparound tailpiece, new knobs, and we're gonna dull the finish. And it's obviously a righty that's gonna be into a lefty. So this is the before. Okay, cool. Hi folks, January 14th, 2023. This is the update on the SG project. It's a little bit late, but painted it green, added a whole new neck. This was a eBay company, American made. It's made out of mahogany, rosewood fretboard. We put new tuning gears on it. These are the Grover vintage style. New nut, left-handed, the brand Tusk. New left-handed wraparound tailpiece. This is a brand new pickup by Seymour Duncan. I don't remember exactly which one it is. New knobs, and I think that's it. This is how it sounds. This is in B standard. Pretty cool.